So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable sound notification when someone joins or leaves on Zoom. So for that guys, you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on their website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that, you guys can be able to see this option right here, which is called My Account. Now just select this option and you guys will get on the profile page. After that, you guys can see on your left there are a bunch of options, and now you have to select this settings option right here. Now guys, if you select this option right here, which is called In Meeting Basic, now you have to scroll down a little bit and you can see this option right here, which is called Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. Now switch on this button and now guys, you can choose one of these options, and now you have successfully activated sound notification whenever someone joins or leaves on Zoom application. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.